Today on Easy Simple Gardening, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect planting mix with Coco Coir. This mixture is the absolute best for starting seeds and propagating cuttings. All you're going to need is Coco Coir, perlite, and a bucket of water. The number one problem people have with growing is inconsistent watering, and this mixture makes it almost impossible to do that. So let's get started. First, hydrate the Coco Coir. Cut off a piece, put it in a bucket, then add water. Wait a few minutes until it fully expands. Coco Coir comes in two different forms, loose in a bag or compressed in a block like I have. I personally like the compressed stuff because you get more value for your dollar. Coco Coir will expand up to 7 times its volume, so this piece will actually fill up this whole bucket. Also, make sure to buy a good quality one because sometimes manufacturers don't take the time to leach out the salt, which can harm your plants. You'll know it's fully hydrated when it turns soft and it's easy to work with. Now this mixture is going to be 50% Coco Coir and 50% perlite. Keep in mind that in order for your ratio to be right, you need to mix it while the Coco Coir is still wet. Next, let's add perlite. Perlite is extremely lightweight and is used for creating space for air so that the roots can not only find water, but oxygen too. That looks about right. Now mix it together real good and add more water. The cool thing about this is that as long as you have drainage in your pot or wherever you're using this, it's impossible to have too much water because the mixture will only retain what it needs and the excess will just run off. So basically, Coco Coir is used to retain water and perlite is used to regulate the amount of water it can retain. Another cool thing is that unlike soil, Coco Coir hardly breaks down over time, so it's reusable year after year. Also keep in mind that this mixture does not have any nutritional value. It's really only best for starting seeds and propagating cuttings. You can plant in this long term, but you'll need to fertilize it regularly with a complete fertilizer. There's more information on that in the description below. And that's it. For more information on this mixture, read the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.